Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating Palm Island, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is make some water. So the way that I like to make ocean water is this. I like to make a curved line. It almost looks like a sideways J, and then come down and come back up with another J. Come down and come back up. To be honest, this is not the easiest line to make. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to give yourself some time to practice this over and over again so you get to be pretty skilled at it. So basically you curve up, you curve down, you curve back up, you curve back down, and you just repeat that pattern over and over again. Let's put a few fish in our water, or if you can think of something else to put in your water, that would be cool too, maybe like a shark or an octopus. It's up to you. I'll just put 3 little fish there. Now for the actual island, I want it to be pretty big, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to come around and I'm going to come back here. So it's like we're looking at the island through the water. For my trees and my palm trees, I'm just going to make some lines that look like this, some curved lines going back and forth like this. You see how I'm doing that? And then I close up. Let me show you again. So they're really big letter V's, really long ones. So come out, come back. Come out, come back. Come down, come back. Back and forth. Whoop, I went off the piece of paper. Is that okay? Yes, it is. Keep in mind there are many, many different ways to make palm trees. This is just one easy way. Now we're going to make the trunks for our palm trees. So curved lines. And if you ever see real palm trees, sometimes their trunks are curved like this. I've seen them before. And then maybe make this one here. If you'd like to add some coconuts, go ahead and do that. And then what we can do is we can make some X's coming down our palm trees. Just like that. Now, if you'd like to put something here, like maybe a shell or a crab or a treasure chest, you can go ahead and do that right now. After you're finished with that, just simply make some dots on this area to represent sand. So this is sand on our island. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make some birds far off in the distance. And let me show you a really easy way to make birds that are flying. All you do is make a curved line and a curved line. How simple is that? A curved line and a curved line. And you can make as many birds as you'd like. If there's a little space that you feel needs to be filled, you can just put a bird there. One last suggestion that I have, if you'd like to do this, is you can put some lines inside of these palm fronds to give them a little bit more detail. And basically you would go from the tip of the palm frond to the middle and then put lines coming down. I'm not going to do that on mine because I like the way that it looks right now. So I'm just going to leave it as is. But if you'd like to try that look, go ahead and do it. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.